Hi, I'm Mandy, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your airbrush compressor set. It is very easy, but you'll want to have it connected to power, and you'll want the little scrubby that your compressor will come with. The main thing you're concerned about is the tube. I use mine for foundation, and it does get all over the place. The air gets inside, and it's going to make a little bit of a mess on the inside. So you want to make sure that you clean this after each use. So I'm in my bathroom. I'm next to the sink, and I have my compressor plugged in. So when I push the button once, it turns green, and this is the highest setting, and it will cycle through several different speeds. And for use, I like to have mine on the highest air pressure, and when you clean it, it doesn't really matter. You're going to be able to do it with any, so just add a tiny bit of water and start by rinsing it out. So I'm just going to fill my compressor, if you can see that, and I'm just going to rinse the cup out a couple times, and once it is relatively clean on the inside, this is where the most important part comes in. You're gonna put about 1/8 of the cup full of water, and don't do any more, not because it is going to get everywhere and make a mess. So I'm just gonna add a teeny little bit of water. I'm going to plug my finger over the tip that the product comes out of. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to push down on the lever and pull back just a tiny little bit, and that is going to inject the air. Instead of the air coming out of the front, it's going to push it back into the container, and it's going to start gurgling, and it's going to rinse it out from the inside. So it's going to wash the inside of the wand out. This is the most important part. So you'll want to turn on your compressor. I'm going to place my finger over the tip, and I'm going to push down and pull back just a tiny little bit, and you can see it kind of coming out there. And that's all you do. Dump it out, rinse it, take the little cleaner, and you can clean out the inside, and you're good.